Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply convert your Bitcoin into real money. It's an easy process. All you need to do is make sure you're on a centralized exchange. And the centralized exchange I'm working with for today's video is Binance. So guys, if you do not have a Binance account, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, when you register and verify your account, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates. Once you've done all of that, once you've logged in with a verified account, your next step is to head over to the wallet section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on this, reload, and you'd find that your Bitcoin is here. And all you need to do to turn your Bitcoin or convert your Bitcoin into real money, head back to the home, click on the convert option, which is just here. And once you've clicked on convert, we're going to be converting our Bitcoin into some of the GBP. That's the Great British Pounds. It works the same with the Euro. It works the same with the GBP. So select the GBP, click on max and select preview conversion. And now you're going to be converting your Bitcoin into some real money. So click on the convert option and boom, conversion successful. Now you can simply send out this fiat token, head over to your wallet, reload, scroll to the spot, reload again, click on the withdraw option. And if you head over to the cash, you can find the pounds here. Select this pounds and now you can simply withdraw your pounds to your bank account or your MasterCard, depending on your withdrawal method. And that's all, guys. So do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about any of these, and you'd be given an answer.